Welcome sa ating panibagong video tutorial. So for today's video, pag-aaralan natin how to graph a linear equation given any 2 points. So sisimulan natin yung ating example sa pinakamadaling given. So for number 1 example, we have draw the graph of a linear equation passes through the points 0, 3 and 4, -1. So given these two coordinates or ordered pair, ipapakita lang natin ano ang itsura ng kanyang graph. So, ang steps lang na gagawin natin is to plot the given coordinates one by one. So, let us have 0, 3. Okay, so 0, 3 is the x, y. Ibig sabihin, yung ating x coordinate is 0. So, we will start here on the origin, and then our y is 3 units upward since that is positive. So we have 1, 2, 3. So the exact location of the first point is this one. So this is our coordinates. So this is our first coordinate, which is 0, 3. Okay, next. So for the next given, we have 4, -1. Ganun ulit. That given is our x, y. So ibig sabihin, the value of x is positive 4. So in our Cartesian coordinate plane, di natin pala nalagay, this is x, this is y. So ang ating x ay positive. So ibig sabihin, bilang tayo ng 4 units papunta sa right. So we have 4, -1. Ibig sabihin, 1 unit downward. So, ang kanilang exact location ay ito or intersection. So, we have 4, -1. So, after you plot the 2 points, then, i-connect lang natin yung 2 points na yan to form the graph of a linear equation. So we have this graph. Ibig sabihin, this line is the graph of a linear equation which passes through the given point 0, 3 and 4, -1. Okay, now let us have example number 2. So we have draw the graph of a linear equation passes through the points 2, -2 and -4, -3. So, ganun ulit. We have to plot the given points one by one in our Cartesian coordinate plane. So, our first given is the coordinates 2, -2. So, positive 2 is x, or is the value of x, and -2 is the value of y. So, if we're going to plot that in our Cartesian coordinate plane, we have positive 2 sa value ng x, then 2 units downward from this point. So we have this point. So positive 2, then -2. Okay, next. We have -4, -3. This is our x. Then, -3 is our y. -4 ng x ay located sa left side ng horizontal line. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, 3 units downward. So, ito ang kanyang point of intersection. Okay, so we have -4, -3. After that, we will connect the points using a line. Okay? So this is now the graph of linear equation passes through the given points 2, -2 and -4, -3. Okay, now let us have the last example, example number 3. So what if the given is, draw the graph of the equation y is equal to 3x minus 2 using any 2 points. This time, tayo ngayon ang hahanap ng any 2 points which is passing through the graph of this equation. Ibig sabihin, tayo ang mag-a-assign ng values or tayo ang maghahanap ng coordinates, 2 points na nagpapass sa graph ng equation na y is equal to 3x minus 2. So this technique is also known as the table of values. So ito yung gagamitin natin ngayon to get any 2 points na ipaplat natin sa Cartesian coordinate plane. So using the table of values, mag-a-assign tayo ng values kay x para mahanap natin ang values ni y and makabuo tayo ng 2 coordinates na ipaplat sa ating Cartesian coordinate plane. So for step 1, so we have the given equation y is equal to 3x minus 2. So we have x and y. So since 2 values lang ang hahanapin natin, let's say, syempre hindi na natin tataasan ang value na i-assign natin sa x. Okay, let's say, I will assign values for x which is 0 and positive 1. So using these 2 values, hahanapin ko ano ang magiging value ng y. So we have this given equation. All you have to do is to substitute. So for number 1, we have x is equal to 0. So if x is equal to 0, we have y is equal to 3x minus 2. Then ipapalit lang natin yung values na inassign natin which is 0. So magiging 3 times 0 minus 2. Then y is equal to 0 minus 2. In short, the value of y is negative 2. Okay, ibig sabihin, our value for y na ilalagay natin dyan ay yung negative 2. For the next value na inassign natin, which is positive 1, if x is equal to 1, we have y is equal to 3x minus 2. So y is equal to 3 times yung inassign nating value na 1 minus 2. So 3 times 1 is 3 minus 2. In short, the value of y is positive 1. Okay, now, meron na tayong values ng y sa inassign natin na values kay x. Ibig sabihin, nakabuo na tayo ngayon ng dalawang ordered pair. Ano-ano yon? So, yung una is 0, negative 2. And yung pangalawa ay 1, 1. So, pwede na natin ngayong i-plot yung dalawang points na yan para makita na natin ang itsura ng ating linear equation. So, if we're going to plot 0, negative 2, so we have 0 for the value of x. So, ito yung mga values ng x, ito yung mga values ng y. So, we have 0. And then, negative 2. So, 2 units downward. So, ibig sabihin, ito ang first coordinate natin, which is 0, negative 2. Next is 1, 1. Ibig sabihin, positive 1 yung x, and then positive 1 yung y. Ibig sabihin, ito ang kanilang point of intersection. Okay, now for the last step, connect the 2 points para makita na natin yung graph ng ating linear equation. We have this given graph. Okay, so this is now the graph of the linear equation, which is y is equal to 3x minus 2.